In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can dash without the phantom step here in Ink Game. Before we do get to this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, obviously, if you don't have the phantom step legendary power, you may be stuck without a dash ability. Don't worry, that's not the case. You could still unlock a permanent dash through the game's upgrade system, although it does require a little bit of grinding. To do this, go ahead and find the shop menu on this left-hand sidebar or go up to the game store just like so. But open this up, go to upgrades, and then you're going to see a faster speed option right here where you can go ahead and either, spend Robux on it, or you can also use 200 million won. Essentially, you just need to get to speed level 5, which in total is about 1 billion won. But once the upgrade is unlocked, you can start using the dash during gameplay. If you're on PC, you just have to hit Q to dash. If you're on mobile, a dedicated dash button is going to appear on your screen, usually near the jump button. And if you're playing on controller, just press B on Xbox or circle on PlayStation to activate that dash. You can also upgrade the speed even further. If you reach speed level 6, which is going to cost about 3 billion won total, your dash upgrade turns into a charge dash. Instead of just tapping the dash button, you hold down the charge button in order to charge it up for a way longer time and a faster dash, allowing you to cover a lot more distance than the standard level 5 dash. But that is how you can dash without phantom step here in Ink Game. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.